Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good morning to all my dear students of 6 Yakin. How are you doing today? I hope all of you are doing fine, staying safe at home with your family. Today we have come to our fourth lesson. And today we are going to cover page 8 and 9 of the textbook. So if you have your textbook, please turn to page 8 and 9. Let's go. So boys and girls, our topic for today is compound noun. The focus is on grammar, and these are the things that you are going to learn throughout the lesson. Number 1, you are going to read words with correct stress. Number 2, you are going to identify compound nouns in a quiz. And number 3, you are going to match words to make compound nouns. Alright, so our topic for today is compound nouns. Can we say it again? Compound nouns. So what is a compound noun? A compound noun is a word that made up of two nouns. Alright, let's say we have two nouns. These two nouns we merge together and we have a compound noun. Or in Malay, compound noun is also known as kata majmuk. Okay, sama je compound noun in English, kata majmuk in Malay. Alright, now let's look at the example we have here. Alright, let's look at the first picture. That is a picture of a sea. Sea, alright, so sea is a noun. Okay, and then sea meets up with food. Food is also a noun. Then it becomes another noun, another word. Alright, it becomes seafood. Okay, so seafood is a compound noun. Alright, when we pronounce the word, place the stress on the first noun. Okay, so in this case, the first noun is sea. So this is how we pronounce the word. Put the stress on sea, right? Seafood. Seafood. So the stress is on sea, not on food. So dekat sea tu kita kena tekankan sikit. Seafood. Okay? Alright, so now let's look at the other examples of compound noun. Compound noun is a word that is made up of two nouns. So these examples, you can find them in your textbook, page 8. Right, example number 1, we have class and then we have room. So it becomes classroom. Okay, stress on class. Next, we have tooth and we have brush. So it becomes toothbrush. Okay, so the stress in the word tooth. Alright, so next example that we have here is sun. Sun and flower. So it becomes sunflower. Matahari, bunga, jadi bunga matahari. Next, we have rain meets up with coat. And then we have raincoat. So the stress is on the word rain. Okay, so next example that we have here is, right, let's look what we have. We have book and shelf. Book and shelf, it becomes bookshelf. Bookshelf. Next, we have seat. Seat. And we have belt. So the compound noun is seat belt, right? Seat belt. Okay, so next example that we have is pose. Pose. And box. So the compound noun is post box. Right? Okay, last one. We have cup, cawan. We have cake. Cake. It becomes cupcake. Okay, so now let's try a quiz, right? Let's see how fast can you identify the compound noun in these sentences. Number 1, the boy is eating an ice cream by the sea. So which one is the compound noun? Yes, it's the word ice cream. Well done. Alright, number 2. The lady serves delicious fish ball in her restaurant. So which one is the compound noun? Can you guess? Yes, it's the word fishball. Fish and ball. Number 3. Dad bought a necktie for the ball. So which one is the compound noun? Can you guess? Yes, it's the word necktie. Necktie. Next we have, there is a dragonfly on the flower. So which one is the compound noun? Can you guess? Yes, it's the word dragonfly. Alright, so number 5, she got a keychain as a souvenir from her friend in France. So which one is the compound noun? It's the word keychain, right? Keychain is a compound noun. Alright, number 6, last one. My brother always chooses a drumstick when he orders at KFC. So which one is the compound noun? Yes, the word drumstick. Okay, so actually all these compound noun, you can find them in your textbook page 8. Alright, this part. Okay, this number 2, exercise number 2. Alright, so boys and girls, I hope you are clear about compound nouns by now. Alright, remember, a compound noun is a word that is made up of 2 nouns. Ingat, remember, compound noun is kata majmuk. Alright, so as for the task of today, we are going to use the grammar workbook, alright, this book. So please do all the exercises on page 4, 5 and 6. Alright, 3 pages. Try to do it by your own. If you have any problem, feel free to ask me through the Telegram or WhatsApp. Alright, the answer scheme will be given to you in our next lesson. Alright, so all the best to you. That's all for today. Thank you very much. And I'll see you later. Bye-bye.